Welcome to 7747 Margerum Avenue, apartment 230. This one bedroom, one bath apartment is located on the second floor in the Mission Trails Villa right off of Mission Gorge in San Diego. You enter the home into an open floor plan. You have your living room here with a gas fireplace. Right off of the living room, you have a patio that looks into the courtyard. On your patio, you also have a storage closet. As we head back inside, you see the beautiful open kitchen with appliances, granite counters, and beautiful wood cabinetry. You also have your dining room or dining nook. You do have a privacy door that separates the bathroom and bedroom from the rest of the home. So we go into the hallway. You have your closet here, and conveniently your stackable washer and dryer. As we turn to the right, we have a large bedroom, large enough to comfortably fit a king-size bed. Lots of natural lighting, where you have another view of the courtyard, lots of greenery. And now we'll head back down the hallway to the bathroom. Be the end of our tour.